Did you know the Mercedes-AMG G63 is one of the fastest luxury SUVs, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds? This incredible vehicle combines high-end style with off-road capability, making it a standout on any terrain. Welcome to my channel, where we review the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we're taking a close look at the G63, showcasing its unmatched features and performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling car content, and let's see why this SUV is the ultimate combination of luxury and power. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is not just an SUV, it is a statement of luxury, performance, and sophisticated design. This vehicle combines power with elegance, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Let's dive into the remarkable aspects of this magnificent machine. Exterior design, bold presence. The Mercedes-AMG G63 commands attention with its bold, rugged exterior. The iconic boxy shape, combined with modern touches, creates a perfect blend of classic and contemporary styles. Distinctive elements. The vehicle features AMG-specific grille, flared wheel arches, and side exhaust pipes that exude power and performance. LED lighting. High-performance LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility and add a touch of modernity to the timeless design. Wheels. Large, stylish alloy wheels add to the aggressive stance and ensure a commanding presence on the road. Performance powerful engine. The Mercedes-AMG G63 is equipped with a robust engine that delivers high horsepower and torque, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. The advanced engineering guarantees both power and efficiency. Off-road capability. The vehicle is designed to conquer any terrain with ease. The off-road cockpit displays crucial data like vehicle positioning, altitude, and steering angle. The transparent hood feature uses a 360-degree camera to provide a virtual view of obstacles under the vehicle, enhancing off-road navigation. Driving dynamics. With adaptive suspension and advanced driving modes, the G63 offers a smooth and controlled ride, whether on city streets or rugged trails. Interior design premium materials. The cabin is adorned with high-quality Nappa leather, offering a soft, luxurious feel. Carbon fiber and metal accents add a sporty yet sophisticated touch, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Ergonomic comfort. The front and rear seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort on long journeys. Both front and rear seats come with heating and ventilation options, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Additionally, advanced seat functions offer a relaxing massage, turning every drive into a spa-like experience. Digital displays. The dashboard features dual 12.3-inch digital displays, providing clear and easy access to vehicle information and entertainment options. The customizable ambient lighting offers 64 colors to set the perfect mood inside the cabin. Entertainment. The Burmester surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, turning every drive into a concert. The infotainment system includes navigation, Bluetooth, and various media inputs, ensuring you stay connected and entertained. Interior features. Comfort and seating. Enjoy ergonomically designed seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Ample space in the rear seats ensures a comfortable ride for all passengers. Climate control. Dual-zone automatic climate control allows the driver and passengers to set their preferred temperature. Advanced air purification systems ensure clean and fresh air inside the cabin at all times. Storage and convenience. The spacious cargo area offers flexible storage solutions with a flat-load floor, making it easy to pack for any adventure. Climate-controlled cup holders keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, while wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure all your devices stay powered on the go. Advanced technology and safety MBUX system. The Mercedes-Benz user experience MBUX system includes voice control, navigation, and seamless smartphone integration, making it easy to stay connected. Driver assistance includes active steering assist, active emergency stop assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, ensuring a safe driving experience. 360-degree camera provides a comprehensive view for easier maneuvering, enhancing safety and convenience.